Mother's quick reaction saves child from falling. In the blink of an eye, an ordinary day turned into a dramatic rescue at a construction company office in Medellin. As the mother momentarily looked away, her child wandered towards an unprotected inner stairwell, edging dangerously close to the precipice. The child let go of his mother's hand and in that terrifying moment leaned over the unprotected stairwell. In a flash, the mother's instincts kicked in. She lunged forward, grabbing her child by the foot just in time. With her heart pounding and adrenaline surging, she held on tight until office staff rushed to pull the child to safety. A mother's love and quick thinking turned a potential tragedy into a triumphant rescue.